So 15 minutes flies by really fast, and who would have thought that Miss Janish talks too much? So just to recap, we're going to quickly finish this off because I did not want the video to be more than 15 minutes, and I did not watch my time. So we were here, and we had said that we have a +4 and a -5. So we said we have more negatives. So I know my answer is going to be negative. And I would say, how many more negatives do I have? I've got one more. So a -1x. And if you remember, you can just write -x. But a -1x is totally fine. So our answer here is -1x plus 5 together. So that's about as complicated as it's going to be for the Kahoot game tomorrow. So if you are able to join us tomorrow, that would be great. If not, there is a link in there to do it on your own, but it would be really cool to see all of you. What you are going to see is one instance where things cancel out. So let me tell you what that's going to look like really fast, I promise. All right, so we've got 2x plus, let's do 3, minus, let's do 10, and then minus 2x. So if I look at this one real fast, I see there are x's and there are not x's. So if I want to draw my box like this, I would have 2x here. And if I'm drawing those slash lines, I won't use a different color right now. If I'm using those slash lines, I see there's a +2x and a -2x. And then over here, I have a +3 and a -10. So 2x minus 2x, we all know that cancels out. So that's 0. Okay, you don't have to write 0x because remember that means to multiply, and 0 times anything is 0. So we just have a 0 here. 3 and -10, there are more negatives than positives. And so if there are different signs, right, I subtract. So I have a negative as my answer, and then 10 minus 3 is 7. So when I do my answer for this one, it's just going to be a -7 because I don't want to include the 0. So you have for Tuesday a big ideas assignment. Let me know if you have any other questions. Remember that I have that 11 a.m. Zoom if you are able to make that, or if you want to schedule another time, or just let me know if you have questions on a specific problem. You can email me with those and I'll try to get back to you. Miss you all and hope you are doing very well.